that I was telling you about right here. And you can see it only says 0 to 0 right now, but each car will actually have.
Alright guys, we're inside the Subaru STI Type RA. Super nice seats, Recaro seats. Oh man. Let's see. It's a prototype, guys, and you guys are getting exclusive an exclusive inside basically. So this is how the inside of the car looks like. I'll definitely have to add this to the main video for you guys. Pedal shift, I'm sorry, the pedals down there and everything. This is so nice. Alright guys, so that's the inside pretty much. Now let's check out the engine. We're checking out. There you guys go. Oh boy. So yeah, this is inside the Subaru STI Type RA for record attempt. So they're putting all of their marbles into this car pretty much. Man, it's just such a gorgeous engine, guys. Man. So we're gonna take a look around the car too.
Obviously, you gotta tell them the product's not final. It's still
Yeah, it's still a prototype. I mean, you guys can see it says right here. Yeah, there will be 500 cars, like Chris said. You guys can feel free to take a look at this information. I'll leave it there for a second. You guys can feel free to pause it. Oh man, guys, this is an amazing build. Ooh-wee.
Well, some brands will let you do it, but for the most part, they have a specific person, because what happens is the person might get answered.
This is so nice.
And it's not answered
Man, this is
correctly, so
awesome.
They just try to,
So remember, this is a prototype vehicle. You guys are watching it first here on Optimus Tech Reviews, guys. All right. Ooh-wee. All right, take care, guys.